In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Bank of America. If you need to reorder personal checks and you want to do it through Bank of America's online banking system, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Bank of America secure website. Make sure you're using the correct official site so your banking information stays protected. Once the page loads, look for the account management section. This is where Bank of America groups together tools related to maintaining and updating your account services. Click on account management, and from there, find the option labeled order checks. Select that option to move forward. This will take you to the area where you can request new checks, and in some cases, you may also be able to request deposit slips or review the status of a previous order. That can be helpful if you're not only reordering checks, but also checking whether an earlier order has already been processed. On the Order Checks page, click Order Checks again to continue. Depending on the layout you see, you may be prompted to click Order Checks one more time on the next screen. That's normal. Bank websites sometimes use a couple of confirmation pages before taking you into the final ordering system, especially for account-related services. After that, you'll be directed to the Bank of America online banking login page. At this point, sign in to your online banking account using your own credentials. For security, always do this on a private and trusted device, and avoid entering your login details on public Wi-Fi if possible. Once you're logged in, simply follow the next prompt on screen. Bank of America will guide you through the remaining part of the ordering process from there. The prompts typically help confirm the account you want to order checks for and take you into the check reorder experience. As a quick tip, before finishing your order, take a moment to review the details carefully. Make sure you're ordering checks for the correct account and that everything shown on screen matches what you expect. That can help you avoid delays or ordering the wrong product. And that's it. That's how to order checks from Bank of America online. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to reach the ordering page without much trouble and complete the process directly through your online banking account.